Trading breakouts in the Forex market, in the FTSE 100, in the German DAX do not work. It is a trading strategy that's been bantered around for many, many years. And I'm seeing it once again come out in YouTube and on YouTube videos. Trading a breakout does not work unless you're trading US shares on news pre-market. But if you're doing it in the Forex market, which I'm seeing being pumped a lot recently, then most traders, most professional traders are fading breakouts. Look, the reason why it gets pumped so easy is because it's so easy to set up. Now let's just have a little look what a breakout strategy may look like and what people are pumping on YouTube. Well, you wake up in the morning all ready to go with your new trading strategy. It's so easy to do. From 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. you find the range of the European session. You put an order to buy 1 point above the high and an order to short 1 point below the low. Whichever way it breaks, it gets you in the trade. Let's take a look at this example here. So throughout the session, it doesn't break at all. And then it finally breaks down. You'll be waiting all that time over, maybe nearly 2 hours here. It finally breaks down and you trade the breakout. You trade the breakdown, the short. You get in the trade, you get all excited because now you're filled in the trade. The broker has put you in this trade, the one that you placed, the order you placed. Then suddenly, oh no, it's going against me. And you get stopped out of the trade. You're in the trade far too late. Trading breakouts do not work unless you're trading US shares. Don't you think Forex traders that have been doing this for 20 odd years know that there's novice traders buying breakouts at the high, and so we fade the move. We fade it. We trade it back in. But if you're a new trader, you wouldn't even know what the word fade means. And so by telling you to trade a breakout, place an order 1 point above the high, Johnny. Place an order 1 point below the low. It's so easy to do, and that's why you're attracted to it. But your account will blow out eventually. If you're doing a funded account, that's going to be gone soon. If you're trading your own account, that's going to be gone soon. You want to be in the trades much earlier before the breakout and to then take profits as it's breaking out. Now, it is an incredibly low profitable trade strategy. And one thing I must tell you here as well, if you're being told to do this on a 5-minute chart, take the breakout of the range. I mean, the range breakout happened like at 12:50. You'd be sat there all day waiting for that. The most important thing here, alongside risk management, is you're trading with the trend on the bigger time frames. If the daily chart is green and up and going higher and in a nice, strong, profitable long trend, then you only want to be taking green buy signals. You don't want to be shorting the breakdown here. So you're trading with the trend, not just randomly putting a buy order 1 point above the highs or a random sell order 1 point below the low. I'm saving you money here, guys, because this does not work. You want to be in the trades much earlier. You want to be in the trades before it breaks out. Breakout trading strategy that has been pumped all over YouTube at the moment does not work. All right, you've got to question the people that are actually teaching something that basic if they're so good at trading the markets. If they're that good at trading the markets, why are they teaching you a strategy that has like 80% losing trades? Factual, okay? So be aware of that if you're in the Forex market. Be careful if you're using a funded account as well, because you're going to get breached on that. You get a hard breach. Be careful if you're doing it in the FTSE and the German DAX in the morning. There's a way of trading the morning move, and I've been doing it for 20 odd years, the morning move, in the FTSE, in the German DAX. We are profitable again in the Euro Aussie trading the morning move once again. I've done 1,200 quid trading the Euro dollar in the morning move this morning. There's certain characteristics you need to look for, and it certainly is as simple as putting an order 1 point above the high of the range and a short order 1 point below the low. Save your money, guys. Do not get sucked in trading that breakout strategy. All right. Be safe, trade well, and I hope you're profitable. And I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.